How to change your name on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Pimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then change your name on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. So if you want to change your name on TikTok, first of all, make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the TikTok application, now just go ahead and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can basically see that this is how it is actually going to look like. So what you have to do is, first of all, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, you can see that this is my display name and this is my username. If you want to change either of these, I will show you the methods. All you have to do is tap on the edit profile button over here. If you want to change the display name, tap on it, enter the new name you would like to change to, and all you have to do is tap on the save button on the top right. Keep in mind that you can only change the name once in every 7 days. So if you change it now, you'll not be able to change it for the next 7 days, which means 1 week. And if you want to change the username, tap on username, enter the new name that you would like to change to, and all you have to do is tap on the save button on the top right if the username is available. And in username as well, you'll not be able to change it for the next 30 days, which means 1 month. So it's quite strict. You can only change the name once in 7 days, and you can only change the username once in 30 days. So just keep that in mind, and this is simply how you can go ahead and then change your name on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.